Salut Internet, c'est VHS et on se retrouve pour non pas un mais bien deux nouveaux épisodes du Roi Lion 2. Yeah! Comme vous pouvez le voir, c'est un épisode qui va être riche en laser et qu'importe. Cela étant dit, avant de commencer, si vous aimez la série, juste pour m'encourager un petit peu, likez, commentez, partagez, cliquez sur la petite cloche et évidemment, commentez. C'est toujours très apprécié, surtout que YouTube a décidé qu'il n'était pas sûr si j'étais pas par pur hasard un robot. Donc, ils m'ont enlevé plein de privilèges, puis ils mettent plus ma chaîne en avant du tout. Pour vous donner une idée, j'ai eu 9 affichages sur ma dernière vidéo. Un peu ordinaire quand j'en avais dans les 1000 à 4000 il y a quelques mois. Parce qu'ils me soupçonnent d'être un robot. Come on, là. Regarde la vidéo. Je pense que c'est clair que je ne suis pas une intelligence artificielle. Je pense. Cela étant dit, évidemment, vos commentaires, mais surtout vos likes et vos abonnements sont les très bienvenus en ce moment. Croyez-moi, ça m'aiderait énormément. Cela étant dit, on va lancer le générique de cette, qu'importe ce qu'on peut appeler cette série-là, mais on va lancer ça. Go! Donc, pendant le générique, comme d'habitude, je vais en profiter pour vous tenir à jour un petit peu sur mes avancements pour mon livre. Donc, en gros, je me suis défoulé dans le live sur Tears of the Kingdom parce que, ben, en gros, dans le... Comment je dirais ça? Dans les dernières semaines, j'ai appris que Animation 3D n'aura plus la compétence prise de vue. Bref, je ne pourrai utiliser virtuellement pas mon livre dans mes cours, ou à peu près. Donc, déjà un peu de frustration. Et comme pour faire exprès, les autres programmes qui vont potentiellement pouvoir l'utiliser sont en révision. Donc, je ne peux même pas donner d'autres numéros de cours à mon éditeur. Donc, on s'entend, ça change absolument rien pour moi. C'est juste... come on. Juste un petit peu chiant. Mais bon, ce sont des choses qui arrivent. Plus sérieusement, moi, de mon côté, j'ai quand même pris la peine de faire quelques illustrations. On s'entend, ce sera rien de très exceptionnel, mais je vais quand même vous montrer ce que ça donne pendant le générique, qui est toujours aussi interminable. Donc, déjà, juste aller dans Bit 15. Ce sont principalement des outils de tournage que j'ai fait en photo pour la plupart. D'autres, bon, photo. Et ici, j'ai un rendu 3D parce que j'avais pas de dolly à ma disposition. Donc, en gros, c'est principalement ça. Donc, quelques photos que j'ai traitées pour mon livre. Mais j'ai surtout avancé quelques rendus 3D dont j'allais avoir de besoin. Et l'épisode d'aujourd'hui sera... l'assemblée du tigre ou de tigre. L'assemblée du tigre ou l'assemblée de tigre. Vous me direz ce que vous en pensez en description. Bon, et c'est parti. Je vais désactiver tout le profil.
Now watch closely. The first rat gang stays more or less within these limits, understand?
D'ailleurs, on n'a toujours pas expliqué comment ça se fait qu'il devenait visible avec les rayons laser. Hein? Enfin bon. Et je peux même pas dire que c'est un Deus Ex Machina parce qu'ils l'ont utilisé un peu plus tôt. Bon, c'était pas clair, mais c'était quand même utilisé un peu plus tôt. Qu'importe.
And now look at this. The territorial limits of the second rat gang are generally beyond this line.
Parce qu'il y a plusieurs rois des rats. Vraiment?
One understand what I mean? Yes? Huh?
Attendez une seconde. Non, que
What I mean?
Parce que là, c'est...
Are generally this line.
Everyone understand what I mean?
Ok, non, il n'y a juste pas de lien. Ok, c'est ce que je pensais.
Yes? Huh? Where's their weakest point?
So now you know, okay?
Will you come with us?
Oh, no. Out of my jurisdiction.
What do you mean by that?
I have my territory.
Hors de sa juridiction. Vraiment. C'est tout ce que vous avez trouvé, mon dos?
And I can't go beyond it. This is a much larger area we're talking about, see?
Catsper, are you trying to tell us the winner is outside your jurisdiction?
Well, I do know that there's a group of stray dogs about a mile past this fork.
Oh mon Dieu, des chiens de ruelle.
But to get there, you'd have to go through
Attends, non, Stray, c'est quoi? J'ai un doute. Non, chant. C'est chant, non? Enfin bon. Chien errant, ok.
territory again.
Ah, that way I could do an encore for my adoring public. Do not leave me last when other
Really?
petty have done their spite.
Ah, c'est ça l'image qu'on avait vue. Oh boy, ok.
But in the
J'espère qu'on va pas avoir un concert de Canaries encore.
once it comes, so shall I taste it first. The very worst of fortune's might. Yes, that's
Ça devient vraiment pénible, là, les... Come on, est-ce qu'on peut avoir un fil rouge, s'il vous plaît?
definitely the way we should go.
That's the dumbest thing I ever heard.
What we're trying to do is find winner, not arrange a concert tour for a performing pigeon.
Really?
Yeah, really. The other way sounds a lot more likely.
Sure, and if it doesn't work, we can try your way.
Soulless, infamous Philistines! Denigrators of art! Mindless boobies! I'll show you!
J'ai rarement vu un chien aussi nonchalant que ça dans ma vie.
Now cut that out! You may be a great artist, but you're giving me a headache.
We didn't mean to hurt her feelings.
But finding winner's more important.
Come on.
Yeah.
If you go on screeching and wailing like that, you're gonna hurt your voice, so don't. Got it? You wouldn't want to ruin that irreplaceable treasure.
There's an art lover here after all, thank the
I'm
Lord!
not only an art lover, I have the solution to each and every one of your problems.
How can you solve our problems for us, Fox?
I know every single dog that lives down there. But it's a dangerous road to travel.
Oh, what kind of dangerous things are there?
We'll have to make our way through a large area peopled by very fierce animals. Believe me, it won't be easy.
Too dangerous! Makes no sense! Oh, there they are! The fierce beasts he was telling us about! Oh.
Résolution dans 5 secondes. 1.
Hello, my name's Clark.
Nailed it.
And my name's Sidney.
Vous savez, mon dos, c'est un petit conseil. Généralement, quand on raconte une histoire, l'idée de faire monter le suspense, c'est de faire durer le suspense et de s'arranger pour qu'il y ait un peu une histoire qui en découle. Si vous continuez à faire préparation, paiement, préparation, paiement, préparation, paiement, votre histoire devient plate et répétitive. Je le sais, vous vous en foutez, mais ça, c'est un détail.
Uh-oh. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you. I know you're gonna help us, aren't you?
Of course.
Ah ouais, c'est clair que c'est comme ça que les crocodiles agissent. Ou les alligators, qu'importe.
Are you all right?
I could give you a very special shot if you like. Shall I proceed?
Thanks, no. I'll take a rain check.
You say you're a canary, but I think you're just chicken.
Whatever he
Just chicken. Hey boy.
says, I think you're a great artist.
Yeah, your sensitivity can distract, amaze, overwhelm.
Oh, get out of here.
Le canari a au moins toujours des problèmes de gestion de la colère. Ça, il y a des choses qui changent pas.
We better be going. We're doing nothing but wasting time.
What about the dangerous animals? Is it just those alligators?
We are going to be running into a lot of animals that are more dangerous than our friends over there.
They look plenty dangerous to me. Wait a second. Do you know them? Yes, they're our friends. They helped us find our parents. They're on
Pleased to meet you, I'm Clive.
I'm Gigi. Pleased to meet you.
Gigi, c'est pas Chichi? Qu'importe.
Oh.
Je perds le fil.
And these
That's
two are...
fine. Hello. I'm Marmaduke, and he's Aloysius.
Marmaduke. Il a vraiment dit ça.
Fine. Hello. I'm Marmaduke, and
Ouais.
he's Aloysius.
What do you think, Fox? Can we trust them?
Start off by never trusting no one, and you won't be far wrong.
You must be exaggerating. But now it's time for us to be going. All right, everyone, let's get ready. It's time to start. What's the matter, Catsper? Are you sad because you can't come with us?
We'll never forget how much you helped us. You knew that.
Listen to me, Cat. It's time for us to say goodbye. I guess you'll go back to being a ghost and playing your music and giving the rats whatever trouble you can. It's a lonely life, I know. Goodbye, Catsper.
We'll be seeing each other again, Catsper. I know it for sure.
Goodbye, Life.
Goodbye, Catsper. Don't worry about us.
No, miss.
Techniquement, il est pas mort, ce chat-là. Je veux dire, c'est un fantôme, right?
So will we. Promise you'll take good care of
Non, je demande parce que me semble qu'il pourrait y suivre à quelque chose, non? C'est pas possible?
yourself.
I will if you promise to come back and see me late.
That's a good idea, Simba. Yes. Very well thought out indeed. My compliments, Simba. But is our friend willing to take on this dangerous task?
You shouldn't even need to ask. It's insulting.
Why are you climbing up there, Snake?
I'm going to show him that my niece is an amateur in the hypno biz.
If I didn't know you better, I'd say you were jealous.
This is no time to be playing games. Come down off Arbor right now. Come along, Snake.
Whatever you say.
Snake. C'est-tu juste en... J'ai juste de réaliser, mais est-ce qu'ils l'ont appelé K dans cette version-là? Je me pose la question.
Crow, I want you and Arbor to be our...
Crow. Je sais pas si c'est la traduction ou si c'était le texte original, mais come on, au moins forcez-vous.
Our reconnaissance team.
You got it, boss.
I want to know about the tiger's movements, so stick close to him, but don't be caught spying.
Oi.
Vraiment. Les gens jettent vraiment n'importe quoi dans les toilettes.
Do you see that barrier there at the end of the channel? Well, it shuts us off from the outside world. A group of brave beavers built it, and many of them lost their lives in the effort to provide protection. Protection against the most dangerous and ferocious animals that ever lived on Earth. Human beings.
Les hommes.
Are they all crazy, these human beings?
Sure sounds like it, doesn't it?
There are also terrible fishes in the water.
Fish that are more terrible than a shark?
What are they?
Don't you know? They're called piranhas.
Are piranhas really all that wicked, Clive?
Well, they can polish off a big gator like me before you can say crocodile.
C'est charmant. On se rappelle que ça, c'était pour des 7-8 ans. Donc 7-10 ans, je pense.
Our alligator friends aren't the only ones who will have to face them.
You mean we'll all have to fight piranhas? Oh!
If you want out of here, you have to get out through that canal.
Now, just hold on. You didn't go through the piranhas to get here, did you?
I take the outside route.
Well, why can't we all do that too, huh?
You can, if you want to wind up behind bars in the zoo.
Never, never!
Never!
No bars ever again!
Il y a un PTSD alors qu'il était tout en train de rire parce que quelque chose. On se rappelle que le plan c'était juste d'avoir l'air hyper joyeux, puis j'ai pas compris le reste.
Don't worry about it. That was only the blackest of your options.
Oh, now let's not go overboard.
Overboard? I'm just facing up to facts, that's all.
Just a minute. I may have an idea for you. Listen.
What kind of dumb remark is he gonna make now?
I think he's very smart.
The only logical thing we can do is take the fish and make them harmless.
Je suis juste que... Attendez une seconde. On s'entend, c'était... je sais juste de... L'assemblée de tigres. Et je crois qu'il vient juste d'arriver. On est à la moitié de l'épisode. Et ce que je voudrais voir en ce moment, c'est combien de temps ils vont nous faire entendre des... Ok. À 11 minutes 50, on rentre dans cette scène-là. On 50, hein? On est déjà à 40 secondes. 30 secondes, pardon. « 40 secondes. » En ce moment, oui, on comprend qu'il y a un secret à y dire, mais je pense qu'il aurait pu faire une scène plus intéressante.
Here comes our trusty scout now.
Okay, juste voir. Changement. Ok, en gros, 50 secondes de rien. Wow! C'est efficace.
Here comes our trusty scout now.
Back with my reconnaissance report, sire.
All right, Crow, let's hear it.
I saw the tiger, a hyena, and a rhesus in the northeast clearing.
I know.
Regardez sa bouche, c'est incroyable. Regardez ça.
I saw the tiger, a hyena, and a rhesus in the northeast clearing.
Je pense que ça est même plus. Je veux dire, on montre ça dans n'importe quelle série. Tout le monde pense que ça, c'est un robot.
I know all about
I saw the tiger, a hyena, and a rhesus in the northeast clearing.
I know all
Ça marche vraiment pas.
about that wretched rhesus monkey. He's nothing but a spy.
I'm sorry to hear you say that, if it's true.
Oh, that means the tiger must know all the details of our plan.
Then it looks like we're really in a pickle.
Yes, and they're probably preparing countermeasures, sire.
Hold on, there's news coming in. Just
Come on.
a second.
What can you tell us, Arbor?
The tiger and his thugs will be holding a meeting by the lake tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I knew it. We should have posted sentries.
That spy did us in.
Well, there's no sense in crying over spilt milk.
That'll fit in fine with our plan.
Huh?
Has Simba gone crazy?
Either that or the rest of us have.
Yes, we can make good use of their meeting.
You mean to attack them while they're all gathered?
Their meeting place is sure to be heavily guarded, Simba.
It's a good place, but not for his meeting. It's a good place for us to set a trap. One he's sure to fall into. Well?
I knew we could count on Simba. All right, get going. What is this trap and how do we set it? Action, not words.
Well, that's how I see it. What do you guys think?
I think it has a very good chance of working.
I agree. That's how we can take care of the fish.
Well, that settled them, right?
Right.
Good.
Don't jerk like that, you jerk! Oh, they're terrible!
Je le sais que c'est les années 90, mais un personnage qui fume, vraiment. Puis ensuite, où est-ce qu'il trouve ses cigarettes? Puis ensuite, quand est-ce qu'elle arrive, la Coupe du Monde? Come on! On est quand même à peu près à la moitié de la série. Ça s'appelle Simba Junior à la Coupe du Monde de foot. On est juste dans les égouts. Est-ce qu'on peut m'expliquer?
Stink is so bad for my voice!
Sorry about that.
Now, are we all agreed on Genius's plan?
Sure.
I hope it works. We're the ones in the water, after all.
No, Al, we'll all be there with you, and we still have our rays we can count on.
Can't wait to see them rays.
So I think it's all going to work out.
Overconfidence could cost you dearly, Junior.
Confidence, not overconfidence. I'm sure everything will be fine.
If you say so, Princess Fair, I can only agree with you.
Piranhas by the thousands, huh? Unpleasant.
We'll be all right. I'm positive. Forward march!
OK. Normalement, le laser devrait pas générer plus de meubles. Regardez l'image. Venez pas me dire que ça donne pas l'impression qu'il a fait juste apparaître plus de meubles.
Chops and steaks and ribs and chickens, sausages, cutlets, and similar pickings fall from heaven's generous groove and make the piranhas so full they can't move.
Je pense que je vais faire une alerte avec ça. Écoutez.
chops and steaks and ribs and chickens, sausages, cutlets, and similar pickings fall from heaven's generous groove and make the piranhas so full they can't move.
Wow. C'était quelque chose.
It'll be all right. Go ahead.
I'm not afraid.
I'll show you. All right, my friends, follow me.
Oh, be careful, Flash.
So far, everything's going according to plan. Look, they're leaving us alone, thank goodness. I sure hope nothing happens to cut off Fat Rat's supply
J'ai juste l'impression qu'il mange de la gomme.
of food.
Quoi, tout est rose, au fait? Horrible.
I think that phantom food is starting to lose its power.
You'd better all hurry up, guys. Come on.
Here we are, and the food hasn't given out yet.
We've almost made it, genius.
Puddings and tacos and short ribs and peanuts. All will be done in a matter of minutes. Egg rolls and blintzes and...
Ils viennent de faire rimer peanuts avec minutes. Peanut, minute. Peanut, minute. Come on!
sushi and pasta. Little piranhas, you've now met your master.
All of us are through. Come on.
Okay, that's our cue. Let's go! Time to start putting the barrier back.
And knoddled and curry and waffles. Leave us, piranhas, your evils and offals.
Oh, see.
There! Here we are, safe and sound.
There isn't much further to go.
Cassoulet, paella, corn chowder, and French fries.
Je pense que je vais faire un montage avec ça.
Why, shush, what are they doing?
They'll get real food before they close the barrier.
Isn't that real food?
No, all fake. It was made out of the barrier itself, get it?
Ah. Chitterlings and
Non, je comprends pas.
sponge cake and veal roast and knishes. Get rid of piranhas, depraved, mean, and vicious. Kokan and gnocchi and strudel and couscous. You'll never have 26 columns in Who's Who's.
il y avait pas. Ça aurait été plus simple de juste prendre de la vraie bouffe rendu là. Ça aurait eu le même effet. Chaque fois que je vois Arbor dans cette commande, ça fait horrible. Au moins, je sais pas, faites un effort pour faire une version peinte éventuellement. Comment?
Here comes His Majesty!
Et juste ça, comme... Ok, si je résume. Ils se sont séparés de Catspur. Ils ont rencontré un barrage. Il y avait des piranhas. De l'autre côté, le tigre organise une réunion. Puis les autres complotent pour quelque chose. Ok. Sérieusement, il se passe tellement rien dans cette série-là. Come on, s'il vous plaît. Heureusement, il en reste quoi, une douzaine d'épisodes à peu près? 12, entre 12 et 15, je pense, je me rappelle. Enfin bon, on va lancer le prochain avec le Sheraton. Ok, donc c'est parti. On va sauter le générique par exemple, ça vous dérange pas. Oh là là. Le gros party. Oh boy. Je vous parie ce que vous voulez que ça va être aussi enivrant que le dernier épisode. Juste enlever la souris de là. Là. Oh boy, le son il est vraiment mauvais. Attendez une seconde. Je peux pas vraiment faire mieux, donc j'essaie de pas trop parler en même temps.
All I could say is we better be going to wherever Winner is.
I hope he knows what he's doing and isn't just leading us around in circles.
I'm sure he does. He's smart.
You say so.
Well, I sure hope Junior's right.
What did I tell you, Princess Fair? It all went without a hitch. Here they come, Simba. Get ready.
Plan 3.
Plan 3.
Plan 3.
Plan 3.
Plan 3.
Plan 3.
Nice day, huh, Chief?
Silence.
No.
Sérieusement, Sérieusement, je ne comprends pas le rôle de ce personnage-là. Dire, c'est censé être le grand méchant. À date, la seule chose qu'il a faite, c'est organiser une réunion. Puis le fait de voir Simba et sa gang se mettre devant lui, ok, non, finalement, m'en va. Vraiment? À quoi ça sert? Regardez son menton. Regardez son menton. Hey, come on. Un petit effort, s'il vous plaît.
Chief! I would advise a strategic retreat.
If you want to stay alive, get lost, get it?
We gotta get out of here, Chief!
Il y avait pas des lasers, lui aussi? Come on! Il a transformé l'autre en roche en 15 secondes. Il peut pas le faire une deuxième fois.
Mission accomplished. Yeah.
They got what they deserved.
Mud looks natural on those losers. Serves you right, you wretched blackguards.
I'll second that, Prof.
Help! Oh, please! Save us! Oh.
Do you really think we'd be wise to save you?
Yes, I thank you. I thank you.
Save us, save us, save us.
You look more like a goat than a tiger. I don't trust you.
You'll always be cruel, wicked, and mean, won't you, Tiger?
No, I'll be as meek as a newborn lamb. Honest.
You'll both be safe from the swamp on the condition that you obey the snake.
Oh, yes, yes. Yes.
You guys do want to live, don't you? Don't be in such a hurry. First, you have to agree to obey my orders. How about it?
I'll obey, I'll obey, I'll obey.
Then look deep into my eyes and listen closely to my voice.
Yes, I'm looking and listening, yes.
What about me, beautiful snake? Please. Yes, I'll help you if you obey. Now look into my eyes and listen to my voice. My pleasure, truly.
Je jure, si jamais ils décident qu'ils vont les hypnotiser pour qu'ils reviennent plus jamais puis qu'ils leur foutent la paix, je crie. Bon, ok, non, je crierai pas. Mais je vais être très, très, très en colère.
Keep looking. Concentrate.
Hey, j'ai vraiment du mal à entendre ce qu'ils disent en plus. Oh boy, de cliché, toi.
Keep it up.
Is it working? Do you really want to see them rescue?
Wait till you see how it's done.
Ça va être de la vraie bouffe cette fois-ci? Ah ouais, c'est pas de la. C'est pas rose, donc c'est correct.
I thought he just ate stuff like grass and dandelions.
Yes, it's called an omnivore, if you really want to know.
Sometimes I think you're smarter than Professor
Now
Owl.
you're poking fun at me.
Oh, I would never do that.
Why are you looking at me like that?
If you're a dog, how come your name is Puff? Is it a secret?
Well, my folks named me Alfie, but when I was just a puppy, I got lost. You see, it was winter, and
Oh, you poor little darling.
You were smart as a fox to find such a nice lady.
I hadn't eaten in so long, I probably even looked like a skinny little fox. Anyway, for one reason or another, the name stuck, and here I am.
Well, you don't look like a fox anymore, do you?
Actually, I was named after Luciano Fox, a famous tenor. Well, it could be. Now, if I could only just find Placido and Jose, I'd be in business. Oh, so hey? Oh, Princess, if you could hear the full glory of my high C, you'd be under my spell forever.
If you let loose your high C, I'll let you loose on the high seas and hope the sharks get at you.
Oh, it's a great improvement. I guess you got smart and decided to take some voice lessons, huh? Congratulations. I'm just a natural talent. Thank you.
So you've both agreed to be model citizens from now on.
Oh, tabac. Je l'avais dit. Je l'avais dit.
Is that correct? All right, I've put a log there. It'll be easy for you to get out now. But I'll be keeping an eye on you. Is that quite clear?
Jeez, that's really nice of you.
J'espère que ça va pas rester de même, que ce sera pas la fin de leur arc narratif, ce serait vraiment con. Oh mon dieu, ils ont même... Ok, 2 secondes. Cet arrière-plan-là, ça a l'air littéralement incomplet. En gros, comment je dirais ça? Généralement, je sais pas si c'est fait avec normalement, ce serait de la gouache. Mais normalement, on commence toujours par un espèce de blocking où est-ce que c'est presque des aplats colorés. Ensuite, on commence à ajouter un petit peu de texture, un petit peu de détail. Je crois qu'ils en sont restés là. Parce que normalement, après, là, on va rajouter justement les détails fins, les contours, ce genre de détails-là. Là, il n'y a littéralement rien. C'est pour le peu que je vois, ça pourrait être des nuages ou une rivière. Comprenez-moi, je le sais que c'est une rivière. Mais si vous regardez, par exemple, toute cette partie-là ici, c'est de gros motons, je pense que ça, c'est littéralement un des aplats dont je parlais tantôt qui n'ont pas eu le temps de terminer. Et où est-ce qu'on voit pas de détails, pas de haut de lumière. Ça, en gros, c'est ils ont commencé à faire les volumes des arbres, mais ils n'ont pas été raffinés les contours, ils n'ont pas été rajoutés, par exemple, les reflets sur la rivière, ce genre de choses. Donc, come on.
Well, what do you think? Will it work, Snake?
Oh, yes, they got a large, healthy dose.
I wish there was some way of being sure.
You doubt my word, huh? I'll work some on you and see how you like it. Look deep into my eyes.
I believe you. I believe you.
I've known how to hypnotize since I was a kid, but it wouldn't be fair to do it indiscriminately.
Well, you picked the right time to use it. What Tiger was doing to the other animals wasn't fair either.
I'm always glad to use my talents for good.
In this instance, I can assure you that what you did was ethically and morally unimpeachable.
You know, I always felt kind of sorry for poor old Hyena and everything he had to put up with.
Nonetheless, he chose the side of evil, and it's only right that he be punished.
I used an experimental technique on them. I wonder how it'll work.
You mean you don't know?
Hey, Tiger and Hyena going back to their gang! His Majesty's coming! His Majesty's coming!
Ok, le singe qui crie, je l'ai pas vu venir. J'avoue. Oh mon dieu,
Majesty's coming!
Je pense que ça pourrait faire... Je pense que ça pourrait vraiment faire une alerte, ça. La face qu'il fait. Attendez.
How you doing?
You see?
Remarkable.
Halt!
Well, we're in the stray dogs territory now, Junior. Their lookouts and guards are just beyond the bend in that tunnel. So when we see them, let me handle the negotiations.
I'm starting to think you're nothing but a worrywart, Fox.
Don't you joke about it, Junior. Just remember, mind your P's and Q's and follow my lead or you'll start a war down here. Okay, let's go.
Hi there, chum.
You better be careful, whoever you are. This is our territory, and we'll defend it to the death.
Hey, Bully! You must need glasses, it's me!
Huh?
Who do you think?
On dirait qu'ils ont cousu plusieurs chiens ensemble.
You must need glasses, it's me!
Regardez. C'est pas me dire qu'on dirait pas plusieurs chiens cousus ensemble. Come on.
Who do you think?
Fox, the best henna in the sewers.
Friends, this is Bully. The best bass baritone in the world, really. The one I was telling you about.
You telling me your friends came all the way from the jungle just to hear me sing? You look like a nice kid.
You look very nice too, Mr. Bully.
Oh, aye. It's time for our annual music festival. My friends would like to hear some of the brilliant duets you and I are so famous for, Bully.
Yeah. Oh, great idea. We'll have to be careful. Not all our material is fit for the ears of pretty young ladies, if you know what I mean.
My friends and loyal subjects, I have an announcement to make. We must oppose Simba's return at any cost, no matter how grievous be the sacrifices we are called on to make.
You! Let's see what sacrifices you make.
Attendez une seconde, quoi?
Let's see.
No matter how grievous to make. My friends and loyal subjects, I have an announcement to make. We must oppose Simba's return at any
On doit s'opposer au retour de Simba.
cost, no matter how grievous be the sacrifices we are called on to make.
Ils étaient pas censés devenir des citoyens modèles.
Let's see what sacrifices you make.
C'était quoi cet effet sonore-là?
Let's see what sacrifices you make.
Boum. Le montage son il est horrible.
You. Let's see what sacrifices you make.
C'est n'importe quoi.
Are you crazy? Now, you are.
T'es pas censé être hypnotisé, là. Come on.
My slave, and you must obey me.
You're worthless. Yes, maggot. Someone make them stop.
Sam is gonna get it in the neck.
What was that you said?
Maggot.
Nugget.
You know how you used to treat me like that and that and that.
Je comprends plus rien.
I don't believe it.
Encore? Sérieusement, je sais pas où est-ce qu'ils ont pogné cet effet sonore-là, mais ça marche pas. Attendez, ça me fait littéralement... Attendez, j'avais fait quelque chose, mais ça c'était voulu pour être cheap, mais écoutez bien ça. Ça, regardez. Ta gueule! C'est littéralement l'impression que ça donne, là. Come on.
Congratulations, Snake. It was a wonderful job, really. Am I wrong?
No, you're right, Simba. It was quite an accomplishment.
Tiger's been made a complete fool of.
I deactivated Hyena's will to obey. Personally, I think it went very well.
Hey, you're
C'est pas ça que t'as dit tantôt. C'est pas ça que t'as dit. Là, ça tombe dans le Deus Ex Machina.
missing the show.
Who wants to be king of the jungle anyway? Oh!
Look at him run.
We're free of tyranny!
The tiger's evil reign has come to an end.
With the tiger gone, it's up to you to take over his kingdom.
Oh, that's right, you're king now. What are your orders?
I order you to return to your homes and be at peace with one another.
Encore plus mauvais que je pensais.
We must put strife behind us and live in brotherhood. We must become the family of the jungle.
I never thought I'd live to see the day we're witnessing a peaceful revolution.
Our brothers are there. Greet them in peace.
Deus Ex Machina.
Simba.
Henry!
You see, what they really came here for was to find Winner.
Does he know anything about Winter Fox?
Well, it's like this, kid. The whole underground world is preparing for the music festival, which is tonight. Tomorrow, they'll all pitch
Ah, t'as pas un autre test. Come on. Ils vont encore nous casser les oreilles.
in and give us all the help we want. And you've waited so long, you can wait one more day, can't you? I'll go tell Light the news. Well, Light, did you hear what I was telling your brother? All the dogs in the underground are going to help us right after tonight's festival. Isn't that great? Come on, I was hoping to cheer you up, Light. We'll find him, I promise you.
Oh, Winner.
Allez, là, il y a un truc que...
Does he know anything about Winter Fox?
Well, it's like this, kid. The whole underground world is preparing for the music festival, which is tonight. Tomorrow, they'll all pitch in and give us all the help we want. And you've waited so long, you can wait one more day, can't you? I'll go tell Light the news. Well, Light, did you hear what I was telling your brother? All the dogs in the underground are going to help us right after tonight's festival. Isn't that great? Come on, I was hoping to cheer you up, Light. We'll find him, I promise you.
Oh, Winner.
C'est une vision qu'elle a? C'est quoi ça? C'est une transition à Winner? C'est vraiment pas clair.
see some progress, especially around midfield. I can't deny it. But this Sunday we have to play a very important game. What I'm seeing now is 11 fine athletes. But what I want to see is a team. Only a team can win this game. And you do want to win it, don't you?
Yes, we do, Coach.
That's all I wanted to know. Okay, practice. Oh, I miss my friends. I wonder where they are. And I wonder if I'll ever see them again.
Ok, donc on était juste vraiment passé à Winner, sans raison. Mais je comprends toujours pas comment il est passé de kidnappé par Carmen Sandiego Wish à ça. Ok. Donc, on a encore survécu à ça. Je sais vraiment pas combien de temps je vais tenir encore, mais on a réussi. Si vous avez envie de me supporter à endurer ça, venez me voir dans les lives. Ça me ferait plaisir. Vous trouverez le lien en description pour me rejoindre sur Twitch. Sinon, cliquez sur la petite cloche, likez, commentez, partagez et abonnez-vous. Encore une fois, les commentaires sont très appréciés, ainsi que les abonnements. Ça m'aiderait à prouver à YouTube que je suis pas un robot. Come on. Allez, VHS, je vous dis à la semaine prochaine. Et on se tape d'autres épisodes de cette affaire-là. Allez, bonne nuit. Wow!